So today what we're going to be looking at is converting a document to plain text. We want to work with the plain text document so that we remove any styles that have been used in the document that we are placing. So if somebody set up a Word document and they have all their headers and subheaders and all those styles on there, we don't want to import those in there, so we're going to convert it to plain text. And the text that I'm going to be using today is The Adventures of Puss in Boots, found on the Gutenberg.org site. So we're just going to double click that. It's going to bring up our text. And you'll notice that there's multiple formats here that we can download. We can download an EPUB with images or without images, or a Kindle with images or with no images. Today we are going to be using the plain text UTF-8. Click on that. It brings up a tab with all of the text that I need. I'm going to copy and paste. So to select all, I'm going to press Command A and then Command C to copy. I am going to open up a new TextEdit document. Open that up, press New Document. And we're going to paste our text into this document, but first we want to make sure that it's plain text. Right now you can see that it shows our font families and our sizes, our styles, and everything. And if you see this toolbar, it means that it is not a plain text document. We want to go up to Format, Make Plain Text, or you can press Shift Command T. We're going to select that. You'll notice that our toolbar has gone away up at the top, so this is now a plain text document. So to paste my text into this, I am going to press Command V. And now I have all of my text in there. Now I can save my document. So Command S to save. And I'm going to save mine on the desktop, and I have a version already on there, but I'm just going to save over top of it. And down here, we want to make sure that our file format is Unicode UTF-8. Press save. And I'm going to replace because I already have that document there. I'm going to close out of this window. To close out of the window, we can use the keyboard shortcut Command W. Closes the window but keeps the actual program still running. I'm going to go down to my InDesign document, which I already have a document set up, and I'm just going to show you how to place into it and just check out how the document can be flowed. So to place my text into my document, I am going to either go up to File and Place, or I can press Command D. So I'm going to press Command D, select my text, open. Actually, let's do that again because I want to show you the other window. Command D. I want to make sure that my document is selected, but I also want to make sure that down here at the bottom is Show Import Options. It's selected. And then go to Open, and then it brings up this Text Import Options book. So I want to make sure that my text is set up to the Unicode UTF-8. I can set my dictionary as well for my document. So since we're in Canada, we will use the English Canadian. I also want to make sure that any extra carriage returns or hard returns are removed. So we're going to do that at the end of every line, and we're going to do that at the end of every paragraph. You can also change it so if there's multiple spacing, it uses a tab, which we'll set, and we are going to use our typographer quotes instead of inch marks. Press OK. So now to flow in my document, I'm going to press Shift and click up at the top, and now it's flown in all of my pages. We're sitting at 69 here, 69 pages. So let's take a look at some of these. I have my hidden characters turned on. So you see where there was multiple spaces, now it's indicated by a tab, the hidden characters. and it's pushed everything up. So if there's any spaces in between the paragraphs in my actual document, it's moved them up. This allows us to work with our paragraph styles and add in spaces that will be consistent instead of worrying about those extra spaces in there.